Hello and welcome back to our civil plant maintenance training. This is Farooq from Cube ERP. So in the last session we had created an order from notification and we had done a confirmation for the order. The goods movement were all posted. So the next step for the process will be we need to do some confirmations. We need to do technically complete. So let's go into the order and see what has happened to the costs. So we go by transaction IW32. This was the order number. So we are in the order. Let's take a look at the costs. So the planned cost and actual cost, there's some bit of a difference. We did added some spare at some component at the last moment also, which is fine. So the next step for us will be to do now technical completion. So to do the technical completion, we go here, order, functions, complete, technically complete. So order has been changed. If I go back and in the order, I can see the status has gone from release to TECO, which is technically complete. So the next step will be, now once the TECO has been done, it will be picked up by FICO and they will do an analysis of plan and actual cost, do a variance of plan cost minus actual cost, or actual cost minus plan cost, sorry. So for the variance calculation, the transaction is KKS2 and this is basically integration to FI. If I go into the transaction KKS2, there will be a screen with a small pop-up which will ask you what is the business area. Because I was already doing this transaction, so it has got the business area in the background, so it has not asked me for that. So there are two options here. So you have to give the first, you need to give the, which is a period. So this is period 5, 5th month, and I'm going to do a test run first. This is my order number. So once I process, it says processing completed with no errors. I can go back, take out the test run indicator, do the detail list and execute. So it will now do a variance calculation in the background, which will be all actually posted into the finance. So once this is done, the next step for us will be to do settlement, which is the transaction is KO88. So order has to be settled, which is again done by finance. KO88. Again, we've got test run and check transaction data. I will just go by, I'll take out the test run, execute. So it's doing a calculation or the posting in the background. So this is our order number, these are the period, physical year, controlling area, execution type, execution has been settlement has been executed, update has been done. You can go here to see the variance. So this is the variance. You can go into the accounting document to see what are the documents which have been created. So a number of documents have been created: accounting, profit center, controlling, project cash management. If you want to see any document, you can just double click and it will open an accounting document for you. So this is more of a finance integration from plant maintenance, which you should know. You don't have to really do these things. It's better to have just an idea. So the last step for us is to do a business completion so that we can now close the order. Let's go into IW32. In IW32 now we can just close this order by doing a business completion. Once we do the business completion, the order will be completed, but our notification will still be open. So we can just do the business completion directly from here, or we can go to order, functions, complete business. So it has already done it. Let's go and see what is the status. Status has changed to closed. If you look at the status, business processes, so everything is almost gone red, so there's no change possible now for this order. So although the order has now been closed, our notification is still open. You remember we started this one from our notification. So let's go back to our notification. So what we are going to do is we're going to ask it that, okay, in process again. So we're going to reprocess it. Press enter again to go back. Let's put, say, motor has been fixed for noise and running hot. And now we can just complete it. Checkered flag. Yes, system is going to do, yeah, reference date, whatever is the date of the notification. So the notification is also now complete. So this completes our process of creating a maintenance order from a notification. Thank you, and I will see you in the next session.